chocolate chip cookies. So when you're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, at first you need to wash your hands. I already washed mine. So and you're gonna have to wear an apron and this chef hat so your hair would not get in the food. So let's start the video. But before we're gonna start the video, let's talk a little bit about the cookies. So what's your favorite cookies? Write down in the comments to let me see what's your favorite cookies. I'm so excited what to see is your favorite cookies. So we could come up with a video and make it. So my favorite cookies are chocolate chip cookies. Sometimes you can make it with M&Ms too. And it makes this delicious. So we're gonna start the cookies. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the ingredients at first. So first we have 1 cup of white flour. Now let's pour it into the bowl. Okay, so we're gonna use a half spoon. So we're gonna use this teaspoon for these white items. We're gonna use the half teaspoon for baking soda. Do not make it too full, okay? Because it's gonna be too much. Here, a half teaspoon. So let's pour it in here. And the same teaspoon for baking powder. And now we're gonna use the same teaspoon for salt. Half. Okay, so we're gonna do the wheat items. Okay, so I already put 114 grams of butter. Okay, and I already put 1/2 cup of white sugar. So now we're gonna put 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay, so now we're gonna cream it all together. Sometimes it's hard to mix this stuff. Wow, so good. Looks so yummy. Okay, so make sure to get all the flour and cream it with all the other ingredients. So okay, so it must be done by now. So now let's do it. So now let's see. So we're gonna. Okay, so after you mix it, it has to be like this. So we're gonna put. Actually, because we don't want it messy. So we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we're gonna put 1 large egg to put in the cookie. But I have one large egg, so we're gonna do so pick whatever choice. Now we're gonna cream it all together. Okay, so we already have our mixing, and we're gonna pour our chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips. Now we're gonna mix it all together, and it's really fun to make cookies because you can make it for dessert. Or something that is fun. Oh, and you can make cookies for 4th of July. Yeah, 4th of July is coming. Whew. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we already mixed it, and now we're gonna use this spoon, and you squeeze it, and it puts stuff down. So we're gonna use this for the cookies. So now let's do it. Dang, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so now we're gonna do 4 in each.
Good job!
So we're gonna put 4 in each. Okay, let's do it. Oopsies. Sometimes that happens. Hey. This could be pretty messy. Come on, come down. Sometimes you can have trouble with this. If it stays on there, it's okay. You could just tap it like a few times. Oh, that was a big one. So we have done 8.
Yummy!
Okay, so I already have my dough here. Okay, we don't want to put it together, like we don't want to put it close because it's gonna get bigger when it heats up. So we don't want that. We want it all separated. So I put it like separated. That was close. Sometimes that happens. That was so close. But 80 degrees. So we're gonna put it in the oven. But make sure to get a mom or a dad or your big brother or your big sister or whoever is in the door. Call them, and then you have, and then yeah. Tell them to put these cookies in the oven. And whenever it's done, I bet they're gonna be so delicious. Yeah! So let's clean this up. Not your mom or your dad has to clean up. Nobody has to clean up. We made the mess, so we have to clean up. But make sure that subscribe button is clicked and like the video. So let's clean up.